Cambodia is one of the fastest growing economies in Asia. At the heart of its economic boom is Phnom Penh city centre, the capital city's central business district. The speed and scale of Cambodia's growth is accelerating Phnom Penh city centre's development as a consciously inviting urban environment, a smart city. With advanced technology and innovative infrastructure, life in the Phnom Penh city centre will be transformed. From the way you drive, to how you make purchases, and even how you get energy for your homes. For drivers, real-time updates of traffic situations and availability of parking spaces reduce traffic congestion and help you arrive at your destinations safely and promptly. For commuters, data connectivity means you have transport information readily available, making your trip more efficient and enjoyable. For shoppers, you can compare prices across multiple shops, allowing you to make better purchase decisions. Anyone can make payments with the tap of a mobile application, making transactions faster and more secure. Streetlights and surveillance cameras all around will deter potential crimes, giving you safer streets and peace of mind. Air and water quality will be monitored, waste can be managed efficiently, and energy consumption will be reduced. All that is made possible by sensors embedded in physical things that surround you, each transmitting valuable information that is collected and analyzed by a high-security data center within the smart city. A crucial infrastructure in today's businesses to ensure continuity in operations and improve the way you live. This is smart living.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher, and guys, please like and subscribe and spread this all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works, because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that everything is planned out. Now guys, of course, we're going to get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. Now basically we see that Bitcoin is rising. Ethereum is rising, but all of the utility tokens that actually have utility are decreasing. So that's the reason why Bitcoin and Ethereum are going up, because of course basically they're taking that money from them and putting it in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Don't forget that, guys, cryptos are ran off algorithms. Nothing but computers is running this, and of course the Fed. So the fact is that we know that we're going to have a correction in Bitcoin and Ethereum. We see Chainlink, Cardano, all of them that were booming. VeChain, they're having a correction. So we know we're going to have a correction. What do we have? Cme and Bitmex. So we know we're going to be headed down. What's going to tell us when it's going to happen? Stable coins. So stable coins are going to let us know. I stayed up all last night. Stable coins went over that dollar. We took a dip to about 10.1. It went under 99.9. It's been under that since. And of course, we boom up to 10.6. So guys, stable coins tell you everything that the market is going to do. But the fact is that we see the utility tokens retracing. That means Bitcoin is going to take a retrace. And just like I stated, only thing we're doing right now is creating higher lows. That's it. We are not in a bull market, guys. Higher lows. So of course, Xrp didn't take that big move. So we know that Xrp, if Bitcoin sticks around 10,000, we know that Xrp is going to be around 28, 29 cents. So we know for a fact that Bitcoin is going to retrace and come down a little bit. But just like I stated, basically, we have Cme and Bitmex. Bitmex needs Bitcoin on the 5th. So we know we go right back on the 5th. Xrp is going to be used in swaps. So we're going to start seeing Xrp have a little volatility also. But guys, make sure we're sticking to the fundamentals, looking at the stable coins, looking at volatility. Now, of course, basically we're going to get into the actual news as far as with cryptos is concerned. We have Polynex as the DeFi token, the center. Basically, we have, of course, China's blockchain. They're talking about splitting it. Of course, that's going to increase it. We'll see going on down the road. Basically, we have the blockchain-based smart city, as you saw in the video, Limestone, coming out with its crypto. Guys, this is what it's all about. So make sure you're staying focused on that project, because that's how the United States is going to be. Remember what Ben Gertzel is working on, that crypto smart city where everything is being controlled by AI, automation, algorithms, supercomputers, all that good stuff. We have Binance doing Kava 50 times X. We know the casino is wide open. We have the Tether-backed gold token hits an all-time high. I'm going to talk about gold later. We have the China-backed crypto guru wants to unite the world blockchain. We already know it's going to be a one world reserve currency. Of course, it's going to be one blockchain, guys. Of course, remember, that is the goal. Basically, we have Dash Core Group to release a test net for 2020. Of course, that's your privacy. Basically, we have the gaming industry. Of course, once it moves over to blockchain, we know it's going to create mass adoption. We know over in Korea, they've been doing it for years as far as what crypto is concerned. We have Weiss Rating says that Chainlink basically is going to be the billion-dollar revolution. We know how big Chainlink and Ethereum is going to be, guys. Only thing you have to do is do your homework. Basically, we have Coinbase. Of course, again, it's going to be designed a P2P system that's going to be sharing users' information based on the FATF rules. Guys, we know this Coinbase is part of the government also, along with Ripple and Binance, of course, is what China's government. Guys, we see all this playing out. Now, basically, we have the block, July 29th, going over custody, guys. Of course, if you want to get more informed, make sure you get on that call. We have gold hitting highs right now, guys. Now, basically, of course, the dollar right now is taking a beating. Now, guys, once we move over, I just want to make sure people understand this. Once we move over the cryptocurrencies, gold is going to take a hit. It's common sense, guys. Once we move over to digital, gold is going to take a hit. I'm letting you know beforehand. Guys, they manipulate gold. They control it. That's what they want. They want to have it in people's hands. So make sure that you're looking at the bigger picture, guys. They've done this too many times. Get gold in people's hands. Everybody's rushing to gold, and what do? Short it. They've done it throughout history. JP Morgan was known for it. So, guys, make sure you're actually looking at it and basically taking advantage of this moment. If you can sell some, sell it. So the fact is that, guys, if we move over to a digital currency, physical currency is not going to make any difference. I'm telling you, we're moving over to a whole nother different area, guys. And the fact is, same thing with silver. Silver is booming right now. So the ETFs are booming, gold ETFs are booming. But guys, just like I said, I've seen this picture before. Only thing they're going to do is short it. Because the fact is that once we move over to that digital age, that digital crypto, gold is going to have less effect on the actual markets. It just is. So just like I stated, guys, they've already, I forgot the bill that they signed, but basically they've already signed it where they can manipulate gold for another 100 years. So just like I stated, guys, they control all of it. Don't forget about that. They control the whole system. But guys, that's all I have for you. Don't forget about the books, Cryptoteacher and WO book. I want to thank those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon. Much love. And then, of course, basically, if you are part of the Cash App, I'm going to send the links that I put in the Patreon. Basically, I said the 15th and the last day of each month. Also, guys, if you're new to cryptos, Bitrue, Coinbase, Binance. Also, as far as your stocks are concerned, don't forget about the chip stocks. The chip stocks are booming, guys. The semis are booming. Of course, they're expensive, but right now they're booming. Why are they booming? Because we know they're buying the stocks, they're buying the bonds. So they already told you what companies they're buying. That's the reason why they keep hitting all-time highs. We have the cobalt Your gaming, of course, you want to be buying gaming, banking, never bet against the banks. Everybody sitting at home, don't forget about those stocks. Also, the C word, the biotech stocks, don't forget about those. And then also, guys, of course, everybody's sitting at home getting that good money. What are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and y'all have a wonderful day.